In our previous class, getting granny's glasses, we have discussed that they struggled a lot to reach the Mussoorie. They searched for the cheapest hotels, but they couldn't find it. And
Yeah.
so they have taken rest in the Dharmasala, which was adjoining the temple, where other pilgrims had taken shelter for the night. Next day, next morning at the high hospital, they joined a long queue, and after an hour's wait, Granny's turn came. Now let's see chapter 6. The doctor took one horrified look at Granny's glasses and dropped them into the waste paper basket. See what he did? He just took the glasses and he had a horrified look. What sort of these glasses? How old are these? And just he took glasses and he has thrown them in the waste paper basket in the dustbin
Yeah.
because they are they are of not no use. Very old glasses. Then he finished them out and placed them on his desk and said, "One second, one second thoughts. I think I will send them to a museum." See, the specs are so old. Instead of throwing them in the dustbin, he thought of putting those glasses in the museum. Yes, the glasses were so old, so he thought of keeping those glasses in the museum. You should have changed them years ago. Years ago, you would have changed them. You have probably done more harm than good. He examined Granny's eyes with a strong light and said, "Your eyes are very weak, but you are not going blind." He examined with a strong light. He put a strong light. You can see that the picture. Yeah. And he examined her and he told that your eyes are so weak, but you're not going blind. We will fit you up with a stronger pair of glasses. So now what he's going to do, he's going to give her stronger, yeah, good glasses. Then he placed Granny in front of the board covered with letters in English and Hindi, large and small, and asked her if she could make them out. See, for the eye test, if we go for the eye test, no children, doctors, they will ask us, yes, to read the letters, big letters, small letters. If we are how much we are able to see those letters, then based on that, they will decide whether they have to give the spectacles or not. Okay, Medha, your mama is a eye specialist, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever seen such patients reading the letters in the hospital?
Lots of times, ma'am.
Okay, how the people go for the test? Can you explain?
First, my mom gives them two lenses. She keeps those two lenses in the glasses. One lens is blank, and one lens is we can see through it clearly. So, which eye we can see better, she examines first, and after that, she makes us look with two eyes.
Very good. Clear, children. This is the way where doctors, eye specialists, they check with the eye lenses. Okay. So the granny is also gone with the same test. Sanvi and Kavish. Sanvi, sit properly. Yes. I can't even see the board, said Granny. Oh, poor Granny. You forget about the letters. She can't even see the board. The big board she can't see. Yes, forget about the letters. So we can imagine that how much. Her eyes are weak. How weak her eyes are, right? Very, very weak. I want you to see all of me, said the doctor, and he balanced a wire frame on Granny's nose and began trying out different lenses. Suddenly, Granny could see much better. She saw the board and the bigger letters on it. Can you see me now? Asked the doctor. Most of you, most of you, replied Granny. Yes, now Granny is able to see much better with the help of the lenses. Much better, she can see much better. Yes, and she felt so happy to see the board and the letters, and then added, by way of being helpful. That's quite a lot of you to see. Thank you, said the doctor. And now turn around and tell me if you can see your grandson. Granny turned and saw money clearly for the first time in many years. Oh, after so many years, she could see Granny very clearly. Otherwise, only she used to touch the frizzy hair of the money and she used to imagine, yeah, he's the money. She just used to imagine that. But today, she is able to see everything. Now, children, I want to ask you that if you are unable to see properly and you got specs new specs, and suddenly you are able to see everything, how will you feel? Yes, Yashasvi?
Ma'am, happiness.
I'm very happy. I feel like I'm in a total new world.
Ma'am, I will
I
feel.
Yes, happy. Okay, Yashasvi. Srikhar Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
After so many years, you are seeing your parents, your brother, your friends, then how will you feel?
I would be very happy.
Very happy. Okay. Shrestha?
Ma'am, I will feel happy.
I am what?
I will feel very much happy and to see my parents and my brother.
Very good. So obviously, children, after a long time, we are able to see the nature, we are able to see our friends, we are able to see our family members, our beauty of the nature, then how we will feel? We'll feel so happy and excited to see everything, right? The same thing happened with the granny also. Okay. Now see here, page number 10, open course book page number 10. Yeah, 9, I will tell that afterwards. Yeah, page number 10, group B, question number 1, make sentences with the following words and phrases. Cheapest hotel, queue of patients, brightly lit bazaar. Make your own sentences now. We have covered all these phrases in the book just now, right? You have to make your own sentences. Make it fast.